So this is the second tutorial for 3D part 2, where we're actually going to create reports. So we've already got our query which shows all of the data, and I'm just going to show you something. If I close the selection form, just watch what happens when we go and try and run the query again. It suddenly doesn't work. So if you find that you've got that issue, or even if the selection form is in design view, you'll also get a problem where it doesn't show anything. This time it can see the selection form, but it can't see the data within it. Then you'll know what's going wrong, particularly when you run the report. So we'll change that. I'm going to set this back to audiovisual and that it doesn't have to be original. And we'll close our query down. And now we can create our report that's going to be based on that query. So we'll use the report wizard and select the query that we need, which was find campervans. We can include the campervan ID and the registration. I suppose the other important things are we need to know what the description is, what standard of equipment. We know what the category is from what we chose here. It being audiovisual, we know it's chargeable, we know it hasn't got a disposable date. I suppose we could include the type on there as well, so I'll put that in. Oops, let's add it on. There we go. Now it needs to be grouped by campervan, so here I've grouped it by campervan, and then it will list the equipment for each campervan. We're not told about any order that we need. I'm going to use the outline layout as that usually works best, and we'll call this campervan equipment. Let's have a look. Here we go, nothing's truncated. I can see the full description of the equipment there as well. So we've got a campervan here, and we've got a list of equipment, campervan there, and a list of equipment. We can see that they're all audio-visual stuff, so that's good. We can see the standards have been put in there, and we can see the types have been put in there. So that's ready to go, ready to print. Or actually, is it ready to print? We just need to check that we've listed the correct data. So we'll just close that print preview down, go to our selection form. It says print the report when category of audio-visual is chosen, yes, and original equipment is necessary. So I'm going to tick this option here. Now we'll have a look and see, and this time we've got a different set of equipment because it's only looking at original equipment, because that had to be ticked. Now it's ready to print. The next bit, part 3, is the annotated evidence. There is just one little thing there that will be covered in a video tutorial.